Welcome to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix, we have Marcia. Now, Marcia came out and, she's talking about how she is enjoying herself. She's living the life. She says, I'm living the Vida Loca. And she's saying that she wants someone to show, or say, listen, I've been living in an hotel for the, winter. And now I'm going to, get my own apartment or my house in the summertime. She's saying that a lot of people can't see that. A lot of people are not able to see, oh, I had a vacation. So she's saying that basically she's on a full vacation right now. And that's what it is. She's just having a vacation for the winter. And then, she'll be moving into an apartment or, an house for the summer. Um, she said she's really comfortable. She's living the life. She has her room service. She has pool. She has, her gym, you know, at this hotel. And she's saying that it's a beautiful hotel and she's wonderful. And so when people come and talk about her, how many of those persons are able to pay for that luxury? She's also saying that she's given Miss D advice, as she said, that she should take the time out to know Jamaica and go on a little excursion, go to the hotels, and, she's saying also that she needs to maybe go to a spa and other stuff. So you guys need to go catch the video to see what Marcia really has to say about her living her life and her advice to Miss D. So go ahead and catch your videos now, lovelies, and remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Also, hit that notification bell so when I post, you know. And as you already know what I'm going to say, have yourselves, lovelies, a wonderful day.
Nice, sexy breasts. What you talk about? Nice, flawless cheekbone. What you talk about? Yeah, idiot. Nice ear. Yeah, idiot. Me no want nice, pretty hotel. As I relax for the winter until spring come. Fuck you. What you talking about? Room service, breakfast, pool and exercise. What you talking about? Me a living la vida, look. Living la vida. Me dey on vacation to blood clot for the winter vacation. I'm so fucking rich. I went away to spend the winter in the hotel. I'm spending the winter in the hotel, And then spring, I go back to my apartment. Fuck you. Yes, my dear. Next time I'm gonna choose a Caribbean island to do that. Fuck you. Laddie. Maybe plug it in this. You motherfucker. You motherfucker. Then me supposed to feel sorry for myself. Oh, come on. Get the fuck out of here. That's how Baba got Tremere tomorrow and died. Then me supposed to, then how much I can spend winter in the hotel and spring in the house. Laddie. How much I How much I can spend winter. Come members only. Show some love up here. Tell them something to live their ass life. How much I can do that? Yeah. Oh, the motherfucking day home right now, some blood clot, man, I piss now on the mouth just want to find a place to live. Yeah, and I shit pound no blood clot. I want to compound page. Get the fuck out of here. Huh? Both your company right up. Right up my clot. Eh? Tell me. I wish one I wanna ever experience them a life, yeah. Eh? Which one I wanna experience a life, yeah? Tell me. Which one I wanna ever wanna blood clot life? Which one I wanna? A nice big bathroom over there, so big, but just don't take a shower in a nice big bathroom right over there, so. Eh? Which one I wanna? Eh? Which one I wanna? Eh? Which one I know? Look how my place nice. Look how my place nice. You're crazy. You're crazy, bitch. Oh, that must be crazy. And at least me not have to pay a gunman for watch me. Big up yourself. Yes. And I mean, I have to go up on the road. I try to get likes and share. For tell lie. Look at me. Look how my face there. Look how my skin nice. Look how my skin. Look how my eyebrow. Look at my nice eyebrow. Look at my nice eyebrow. Look at my nice healthy hair. Oh, please, get the fuck out of here. Get the hell right out of here, honey. You're crazy. They don't care to talk to me. I always have something up on my face. Hold on. Hold on there. Oh no, oh, this has something come off. Una can't talk to me. Una can't talk to me. Talk to who? Una crazy? Me just don't moisturize up my face. Look at my face nice and soft. You crazy? Look at me, look how nice and soft. How my cocoa butter there? Me just rub up myself and get me just go bed. My friend just called me a while ago. I was in the shower. Cause everybody I call me, it's like, Marcia, when are you coming out? Me say me soon come out. Una can't chat to me. Una can't tell me nothing. Me have 51 next month. In the next 2 weeks. You're luckier than me. Me tell you already, you come up here talk about you have my name for put in a castic. What you have to do is to take your name and push up in your mama pussy. And that you have to do. So I don't know we have to about name in a castic. Maybe my business with my name in a castic. My business. What have to do with me? I 741 people live in the United States of America. They may busy with name in a castic. They have no power. My business go take it and push it up in my pussy. And go push it up in your behind. What that if I go do? They may busy with you and push name in a castic. May busy when I want to do with name. Then I give a fuck what you want to do with name. Go push it up in my pussy hole. And that if I go do? You chat too fucking much go from blood clot page. You come like a waste of time. You come like a pitch by day and fly by night. You come from people page, but you're right, fuck everybody. You're a fire. Your fucking face here when pussy mail you. Move. Ramp on page. You're the idiot self. But put you in a grave and put in this. Go put your blood clot mama daddy in there. And your whole pussy clot generation. And go turn your mama upside down and suck her out like a lollipop. And juice her like a blood clot soursop. But you come up every day about you right up on my page. You should not block yourself. If you think your blood clot bad, don't block yourself. You block yourself for? We come up here block yourself all the time for? For me can't get for delete you. Where you block yourself for? You fucker, you catch you this time. You have to unblock yourself. You make one other page and come back. I just ban him Ross. So I'm going to make one other page and come back again. What is the problem? Maybe it's with you now. Hold on, let me do some blocking on here. Okay, me block that somebody. Yeah. Hold on the people, me block some people. Hold on there. Okay, that one gone already. You tell them the right thing. Me look more way better than her. By far. Then I look like a whole market woman. Me Higla, all the money where she have the Higla still not come over her said way. Look like a whole market woman. Don't even a little money where she have and she still not look. Then you don't look refined. You need to look a little refined. I would advise you to go get a little rejuvenate. Your face need a little rejuvenate. You need to go up at them uptown there. They have a big spa up there and go get a little spa treatment. I get a little sauna. Cause spend a little money for yourself. And that's what you do. Yes, my dear. And instead of you sit down and clap yourself in your house, you go on the Hochi scene. Because you don't know Jamaica yet. You need to go find yourself in some excursions. You want top tail lie? You go get yourself some excursions. You haven't been on no boat ride yet. You understand? Go on one little boat. Go say Jenny, me see a advertise package. Call Jenny and in crew. I make them book you and go along up Jamaica. Go get little life. Because you not live no ass life. You only sit down there, boast and brag. That not go work. Go to Jamaica or visit Jamaica because I visit Jamaica. So they can't tell me nothing. Look at my face. You seen a black spot around here? No. Look at my nice eyebrow. Go all the way around here. So, yeah, idiot. Look at my nice sexy lip. Look at all of my teeth there. They're in a row and nice and pretty. Go away. I no favor monkey pussy. But when I come on social media, me have time for tonight because I sleep already. Me just wake up. So I don't need to sleep. So when I come up here with no fuckery. Me say what me have to say already and that is it. Me say what I have to say and that is it. And none of one can stop me. That is it. So it don't matter. It doesn't matter what anyone I want to say. It doesn't matter what anyone I want to say. Go suck on mama. That's all. It don't matter what none I want to say. It don't affect me no time at all. I say what I want to say and she don't look better than me. And that is all. And she can't walk in my shoes. No time, no day. I said what I want to say and I said the woman was a setup and that is it. And I said it, and who don't like it, it's your problem, not mine. So come beat me for that. Yes. Nobody else said upon live. I'm me alone upon live. Oh, that's why then come over here. Let me see if I find anything else I want to delete. Uh-huh. 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 Yes, my dear, there she pass sink, Baba. Uh-huh. 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 Da da da. Hold on there. Sweet Peach, let me ask you a question. Let me ask you a question, Sweet Peach. You come over here every day. You come over here every single day. And a person who wrote, no rest for the wicked. I me the person attack, no rest for the wicked. I me the person attack, no rest for the wicked. I me the person talking? Me want to know. Are you like it and put one laughing sign there? That's what I'm telling you, you know. Me not have no respect for no over my page. Me want to know before me go any further. And me the person talking, no rest for the wicked. I want to know. Me want to know a who. Uh-huh. Me want to know a who that person was talking to. Uh-huh. No, it wasn't. A me. A me is the one up at late at night and you like it. It look like me ban too much people. Facebook, Facebook is um Facebook kind of restrict me. I know. Sometimes when you give me like a few minutes, give me like give me like a few minutes. Yes, yeah, the person who wrote when you did their delete. You know that's what I don't like over like page. Some of time when they did their delete and a ban Facebook, you have to wait until a little break first. Yes. So who you calling wicked? Every time me come from my page there 24/7, you are the first, second, third smile log on. And you go up on my page and you come over this page and you interact with my page and get a whole heap of attention for my page. And you the on my page agree with somebody coming or rest for the wicked. Huh? You come a like the page. Me tell her no about no supporter who claims on not supporter. So I'm telling her say no. Me nah come to call listen to no one when I come here with no fuckery. Me tell her that right now. Oh, that I want the black already. Um, hold on. Let me see something. Let me see. The Facebook I tell me say, come on, they couldn't upload. That's me. So me block the one there already. Hold on. Let me see something. Yeah, man, him come up and him a wait for me long time. Cause nobody else not here. Nobody else is not here. So that one gone already too. Yeah, that one black already. Yes, that one black already. Let me see if this one black already. Okay, that one. Yeah, that's exactly what you're doing. Reverse psychology. Set up, figure out for the woman. And then the people, oh, that is so nice. Not a fucking thing, no go so. No go so, miss, lady. No go so. Not a thing, no go so.
Remember, lovelies, to subscribe, like, comment, and share this channel.